is Dr. Leif.
Hi, how are you?
Well, actually, not well. My wife's sick, and she's been here for a week. Everything is just terrible. There's no nurse to check out her, and the medicine is apparently not working. She's still sick, so
Yeah,
what guys do?
I'm sorry to hear that. Let me explain the reasons. Because we are doing the SAP, and something we have done well. Like before using SAP, our hospital has provided some training sessions to employees in order to make them be familiar with the new system like SAP, and provide a building like IT building, and provided familiar the computer system. And secondly, for preventing the problems incurred in the first few weeks, such as you guys are facing, and we have 24 hours call to make that to have to call us to help you any questions. How do you feel?
Well, I think you guys can maybe do it differently. For example, instead of focusing on a big part implementation, you can do a partial implementation. Which means you can focus on each part, like the emergency part or the outpatient service. Maybe you can put more manpower, more nurses into the human resource part. So that's what I'm thinking of.
Yes, I think this is a very good idea to do partial implementation, and we could have done it better by implementing partially. So let's say, for example, we can try on building A and implementing SAP on building A, see how the staff are corresponding to it, how the patients are actually feeling with the new implementation. We can take the mistakes and then improve them and then implement it in part B. And I think as well, this from a cost perspective, this could help as well. And another thing that we could have done better is by making you patients aware of what we are doing and the change that we are doing. So this way, instead of you and the wife being angry that she is not getting better or things were slow last night, what we can do is maybe we could have educated you that we are going to implement SAP and these are the things that we are going to go through. So we can work on something, either moving you to another hospital if you're in a critical situation, or make you understand what's basically happening. So apologies guys for for last night. And yes, we're working on improving it, and hopefully you will get better soon.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
That's great.
Let's go. Hello, doctors.
Hello.
How are you?
Good, thank you.
Good. Look, just a quick 2 minutes from your time. We're after the implementation of SAP. We're now running a survey, and we'd like to know whether the change management strategy that this hospital has used can be used in another hospital or survey. So can you please first tell me what you think?
I think it's based on the budget. I think the change management strategy needs enough budget. If the company have enough budget, they can do the training and educate the staff, hire the right employee to do it. But if the company does not have enough budget, it won't be work. So I think the money is important.
Thanks, doctor. And what about you, Dr. Sophia? What do you think?
I think this industry can't use in all industry. Like for example, university just can't use the same process because student might need time to catch up and learn how to use the new system. Like they have to know how to submit their assignment, they have to know how to get message from the tutor, their lecturer, and also for the staff, they have to take time to learn the new system as well. Like they have to know how to use the system to communicate with their students and how to put the sources on the internet, like how do they put the lecture recording, and I think if students won't be able to know how to submit the assignment or get the resources from uni, this may affect their grades. So I think it's not the Big Bang process is not always good for all industry. Yeah.
Very good, thanks, doctors. Yes, you actually gave us a very good answer. I think you're right. This, change process cannot be used in every organization or industry, and you are right. Budget does make a difference.
Yeah.
Cool. Thanks, doctors.
Thank
There
you.
go.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Yeah.